needs specialist care to preserve its finish and keep its natural warmth and character. And when it comes to caring for wood, cleaning is the first step. That's why Cabot's new cleaning range, developed by woodcare experts, is designed to be kind on wood, whether that's inside or outside the home. Cabot's Wood Floor Signature Spray Mop is the all-in-one spray mop system that helps you keep your floors guest ready. It's lightweight, easy to manoeuvre, and an all-in-one system, which means no need for a bucket. With your Wood Floor Signature Spray Mop, you'll receive 2 reusable machine washable pads. One for everyday messes and another heavy-duty option for those deeper cleans. The wood floor cleaner is antibacterial, killing 99.9% of germs, and is made with lemon myrtle extract for a pleasant smell. And its fast-drying formula means you can get back on your floors quicker. For wood furniture and bench tops, our wood surface cleaner and clean and care wipes are ideal. The wood surface cleaner is food safe and kills 99.9% of germs. The clean and care wipes contain a blend of oil and wax to nourish the wood as you clean. And for your outdoor wood and surrounding areas, Cabot's exterior cleaner is the perfect solution to remove dirt and grime. The cleaner contains no bleach or chlorine, and you don't have to worry about your surrounding garden as it's safe for plants. For everyday cleaning of wood, Cabot's has you covered with a range of cleaners designed to be kind on wood.